Hello, this is Rupa. I'm a mother of two.
Hi, I'm Tanuj.
Okay, so we are here just to get a certificate and know much in depth of special education kids and the needs, what they do actually need, and what are the problem, what is the basic problem, why do kids have these issues and how to address them, and there is no specific thing like how to address them. So there are many probabilities and permutation and combinations where we put in together and we address them. So this is a 5-day course wherein we do learn many issues starting from learning disability to CP, cerebral palsy, and
I basically came here with no knowledge about special children, but I'm going back with a wealth of knowledge here. The trainers have been very good, and it's been my second experience with ACT, and I think this was just as wonderful as the first one.
Yeah, and Anamika ma'am did show us certain videos wherein the kids and the mothers, how do they deal with the situation. There is no hard and fast rule that this problem should be addressed only in this way, but it is just again depends on the mother, the environment and the therapist, how do they go ahead with. The activities what we actually did here really helped us have to address. Overall the experience was really good, and we are taking away a huge bag of memories as well as knowledge and huge lots more which we really can't put in words. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
If you like the video, please subscribe our channel. Press the bell icon to get the notification for a new video.